What if I tell you, I made a bot that's better than Shape's bot? Even safer and easier. It answers all the questions for me. It literally tells me where the channels in my servers are. It tells me about the rules of the server. It's like my secretary. I asked my server staff to test the bot. I must say, they asked pretty tough questions. And my staff members were thoroughly impressed with its performance after hours of testing. Now, if this has piqued your interest, watch the video. This bot could be a great addition to your server. Now, before we start, if you don't understand English, go to Video Setting, click Audio Track, and pick a language of your choice to understand the video better. There's a long list of languages for you to pick. Let's get started. I present to you Verba AI Bot. This is its dashboard. The link of this bot will be in the description. Before we get started, you need to do a couple of things. The first is, go to Wix dashboard and disable Bot Edition and Unverified Bot Edition in the Join Gate feature temporarily. Do this if you have Wix in your server. The second thing is, go to your Discord server and create a separate channel for the bot. You can name it literally anything. I named Help Desk for mine because it's helping members with the questions. Now, let's go back to Verba's dashboard. Here, you can either make your personalized bot like I did, we will come to that later, or you can invite pre-made bots. For the latter, go to Explore option, which is under the Home option. Here, you will find a plethora of pre-made bots. Most of them are big personalities too. Invite any bot that takes your fancy. If I am not mistaken, I saw somewhere that they have 75 pages of the bots here. That's a lot of them. If you can't find the one you want, just go to Search option and find it. Now, let's try out a bot from here. I will pick Lee Sayung. You can chat with the bot here by clicking Start Chatting. So this is how the bot works in the dashboard. Now, let's invite it to our Discord server. Just go back and click Invite to Discord. Pick the right server if you have more than one, and then continue. Now my server already has this bot. Once it is in, give necessary perm to the bot, or just make it admin. Now go to the Help Desk channel that we created a few minutes ago. Ping the bot and greet. If you messaged without pinging, it won't reply. Anyway, if you don't want to ping every time, use Activate Channel hashtag in the channel you want the bot to chat. Now see, the bot can chat without you pinging it. It's a little edgy, but I loved it. Now, let's create our own bot, shall we? Click plus Create Verb button in blue color. A whole different profile thingy will open which asks a lot of details. A word of advice, don't set your PFP and banner right now. We'll do it in the end. First, just fill out the details here like your bot's name. My bot's name will be Anya, one of my favorite staff members. Then the age will be 15, birth date will be 28th September. If the month is in single digit, then make sure add 0, like 09. The tags could be anything like female, Discord's role, which is admin, or anything that you want your bot to be. No need to sweat it if you made a mistake now. You can edit it later. In personality description, you can describe your verb's personality like shy, cute, straightforward, or whatever. You get what I mean. Now, click to go to the next page. In languages, you can pick the language of your choice. Core personality is what her main personality. She could be straightforward or goofball or anything. You get what I mean, right? Since there's no red star, it means you can skip core personality if you don't want to write. It's the same with backstory and history. You can skip it. But this is about the background of the verb. You can use ChatGPT or Gemini if you're not creative enough. So I just made up a story on the fly. I hope it's a cool story. All these things can be skipped since there are no red stars. But I will explain what beliefs and preferences are. It's like what sort of beliefs or value the bot will hold, like atheism, believer or science believer, or interest in geopolitics, or left-wing or right-wing. Hobbies and activities are pretty self-explanatory. Just write whatever you want. In likes and dislikes, this is also pretty self-explanatory. Just write anything. Dislikes could also be anything. I can't tell what your bot will hate. You need to come up on your own. On the next page, there's advanced settings under system instruction. You can write the tone in which the bot will respond. It also includes the behavior. For AI model, this is for premium members. They get the liberty to pick the AI model they want. In features and capabilities, slang and casual language will be disabled for the bots that are under 16-year-old. There are also other features like image generation where it generates AI images, web search where it works like Google, and autonomous mode, which is basically incognito mode. You can enable or disable based on your preference. In Make Verb Public, you can enable it if you want other members to invite your bot to their server. Now click Create Verb and it's done. Congratulations. We are halfway through. Now click Manage and then Discord. Click Configure. Did you notice it is asking for Discord bot token? I hope the Shapes memory is coming back. Search Discord portal in Google. Log in here with your Discord account and head to Applications, which is the first option on the top left-hand side. Click New Application. Write your verb's name here. I will write Anya and check the box. The whole new profile thingy will open. Just fill out the stuff that I'm filling, like PFP and bio. Make sure to add Verb's website link to your description. They deserve a huge shout out for creating amazing bots. Now go to Bot section. Here you'll find banner. Add a cool banner, want you? It's not necessary, but make your bot look great. Now scroll down on this page. Just enable the last 3 toggles. The first is message content intent, the second is server members intent, and the third is presence intent. Enable all of them, otherwise your bot won't work. Now on the same page, find Reset Token, click that. It will ask for your Discord password, and if you have enabled 2-factor authenticator, it will ask for the code. Just keep one thing in mind. Do not share this token with anyone. They can get access to your bot. Just copy the token code and paste it in this section. Now click Connect. There we go. The bot is successfully created. Now let's add PFP and banner, shall we? Click Profile. Now here you should be able to add your profile picture and banner. Let's click Chat now. You can chat with the bot here if you don't wish to add it to your Discord server. That works out too. Now let's add the bot to the Discord server. For this, you will simply click Discord under Modules in bottom left-hand side. Now scroll down. You will find 3 options under Quick Actions. Click Copy Invite Link. After that, paste the invite link to your search bar or URL bar of your browser. Select the server and invite the bot to the server. Now don't make this mistake like I did. I ping the bot and see what happened. The other bot replied. First, disable this bot from messaging. Type /remove and also give permission to the new bot to chat. I didn't give it, that's why the Anya bot didn't reply. Now, the bot has replied. Now run Activate Channel. The bot should reply to your message without you having to ping it. Now, the bot has replied. Now run Activate Channel. The bot should reply to your message without you having to ping it. There we have it. Our chat bot is ready. Anya works smoothly. If you only want an AI chat bot, that's it for you. But if you want to learn how to train the bot and feed knowledge, keep watching. I'll teach you some advanced stuff. Go to Training section under the Knowledge category. Now, what is this section exactly? Here you can deal with mostly asked questions. If you are tired of answering the same questions over and over again, then click Add your first example. In User Input, you will add the mostly asked questions by your server members. Like I get asked a lot where to find channel where you can find free Nitro or Orbs links. In Expected Response, just write the response where the channel could be. If you want to add more question, click Add another training example. Here we go, done. Now I forgot to explain that in Importance Level, you can set the priority level of the response. Now, let's ask a question to the bot and test if it works. I will ask who trained the bot. Did you notice? Exactly the same response. Now I will teach you something even cooler. Go to Knowledge Base section. Click plus, add your first entry. Now, Training section was all about answering small and repetitive questions. Knowledge base is about learning new big concepts. If you didn't understand, it's okay. I will show you. I want the bot to learn everything about free Discord Nitro and Orbs culture of our server. So I will write the title first, which is Free Nitro and Orbs. In content, I have made a big response. You can see that if a person asks why they can't find Discord Orbs quests, the bot will provide the reasons. If training was about short and quick replies to frequent questions, then knowledge base is about learning the full context of the situation, so the bot can generate its own responses. Here also, they got importance level. Make sure to keep it high. I've added another entry. This time it's learning about staff members. Make sure to prepare responses already. Another thing I have done is added points and wrote explanation under it. Currently, Verba doesn't have feature to learn things from the website alone like web scraping or something. That's why you need to add paragraphs like this. Anyway, let's set importance level and add entry. I will give you some tips here. This is my server help desk bot. I have added my server rules knowledge into the bot. I strongly suggest you to do the same thing. It's important for your bot to know that. Also teach your bot about your server, like what's it about. That way, it can answer new members easily. The third important thing you can teach your bot about is about your Discord server channels. This way, when a new member asks where this or that channel is, your bot can easily answer. Now, let's test our bot. We can ask some Orbs-related questions, see if Anya has learned anything. It does sound like Anya has picked up everything that I have taught her. Let's ask another question. This time we will ask about the staff members. As you can see, Anya has also learned about the staff members. Isn't it very cool to have someone answer questions for you? It puts us at peace. Now, let's move on to its new feature. It is memory. I haven't used it much personally, since I didn't need it. But I will tell what this is about. From what I understood, it's about users' preferences. Let's say if Anya hates to be called as a cat or catto, you can mention it. I know it's a stupid example, but I hope you understand. You can write its context, but it's optional. Plus, don't forget to add its importance level. You can also mention if someone prefers something. Like, let's say Pixie prefers soft colors. In context, you can either leave it blank or just write a full story for the bot to understand why Pixie prefers soft colors, or just mention the day. The importance level will be the same. Now let's move to AI Engine. We have already gone over AI model, then its language, then its allow slang and casual language, and also about the autonomous mode. If you forgot to enable or disable them earlier, you can do it here. Same with system instruction, the tone of the bot. Next is voice engine. This hasn't been implemented yet, but the developers are working on adding this feature. Now, let's go to the feature we all are super familiar with. It's the image generation feature. This feature also has several AI model. Anyway, make sure the image generation feature is enabled here. We will generate some images to test this live. There we have it. Let me know what you think about this rabbit image in the comments section. Now let's learn about its premium features. This is where you choose the membership that's right for you. They offer 3 tiers: Verba Plus, Verba Pro, and Verba Ultra. Starting with Verba Plus at $6.50 a month plus VAT, you get access to powerful, exclusive features designed to help you create, share, and grow. If you're looking to level up, Verba Pro is our recommended option at $12 a month. It includes even more exclusive features and is highlighted as a popular choice. Both Plus and Pro also give you Discord access. Finally, for the ultimate experience, there's Verba Ultra at $22.50 a month. This tier provides the most comprehensive set of features to supercharge your Verb experience and includes Discord access as well. Important note, after you join any tier, remember to link your Patreon account in the Verba settings to unlock all your benefits. Just click join on the plan you want or scroll down to gift a membership if you want to purchase a premium subscription for someone else. Now there's another surprise. Pick any membership and add my coupon and discount code. The price will drop. Make sure to add this discount code, Pixie. No need to pay the price mentioned here. Now if you have made it till this far in the video, thank you so much. Last but not least, Join Verba's Discord server if you face any problems. They have a great server with amazing channels. They will help you a great deal with the bot setup. So yes, that is it. I hope you guys love and enjoy this tutorial video. Let me know in the comment section if you tried this bot. I would also like to know if this bot is better than Shape's bot. Personally speaking, I loved and enjoyed using Verba more. It was super easy and runs smoothly and require very less effort. If you liked the video, hit the like and subscribe button. This video required a lot of effort to make it.